What's the meaning of coquettish? Coquettish. Coquettish.
Coquettish. Coquettish. Coquettish is an adjective used to describe someone who behaves in a flirtatious manner, often with the intention of attracting attention or admiration. This behavior can include teasing, playful banter, and seductive gestures. A coquettish person may lead others on without any intention of committing to a relationship. While this behavior can be charming and endearing, it can also be manipulative and dishonest. In essence, someone who is coquettish is behaving in a way that suggests they are sexually attractive and desirable but are not necessarily looking for a serious connection.